Before that for sale sign hits your lawn, here are the top 3 things you must do to make your home market ready and fabulous. Boost your curb appeal. First impressions matter. Fresh mulch, trimmed hedges, a clean walkway, and a pop of color with flowers can make buyers fall in love before they even step inside. Declutter and depersonalize. Buyers want to envision themselves living in your space. Pack up personal items, remove excess furniture, and give each room a light, open feel. Less is always more when it comes to staging. Tip number 3, knock out those quick fixes: leaky faucet, squeaky door, scuffed walls. Small repairs can make a big impact. A well-maintained home gives buyers confidence and can help you get top dollar. Thinking of selling this summer? At Fab Living Realty, we don't just list homes, we help you stand out. Our agents are trained to market your home like a brand, with expert staging tips, beautiful photography, and custom strategies that highlight what makes your home special. Message us today, visit fablivingrealty.com, or connect directly with your trusted Fab Living agent to get started.